QuestionsSolved.com.
Okay, in this lecture, we are going to complete all mains PYQ. Okay, IIT mains. First, we will complete IIT JEE. Okay, JEE mains and then advanced exam. Okay, I will be covering up to 2002, PYQ, previous examination questions. Okay. All questions are there in the DPP provided to you. If not there, kindly download. Okay, DPP or worksheet already given to you. If not there, kindly download it and let's complete maximum number of questions with the shortest procedure and best explanation. Okay, so once you understand how the questions are coming in this chapter, then it will be easy to plan your 2021 and further. Okay, so to face the actual examination, what was the examination and how was the questions framed, that is very necessary. And once I explain, then you may have some shortcut procedure. Okay, or you may have some approach. You will understand the approach. Okay, and during my lecture also I will mention where the old students made mistake. Okay, old students made some mistakes. What were the mistakes made by them, so that you should not, by knowing the old student made mistake is, you will not commit the same mistake. So you will learn the mistake from the mistake of others, and that will be helpful to you. Okay, so let's start with the question number one. Let's start with the question number one, IIT JEE mains and advanced PYQ. Okay, the first question says that, first question, among the following incorrect about the colloids. Okay, colloids, some statements are given, and in them, first, they can scatter light. They are lighter than small molecules, have larger than small molecule and have high molecular mass. Third, osmotic pressure of colloidal solution is higher than higher order than the true solutions of same concentration. Fourth is the range of diameter of colloidal particle is between 1 to 100. The range of diameter you have to find out, that is 1 to 1000 nanometer. Many people are committing mistake just because of what, units. Okay, units, you have to be very careful. And here units given are nanometers. What are the units given? Nanometers they have given. Okay, so which is the incorrect answer? Okay, now answer to this question is, incorrect option is C option is the incorrect option. Which option is incorrect? C option. Incorrect statement about the colloid. Okay. Colligative properties such as relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point and freezing point, osmotic pressure of colloidal solution is of low order than true solution at the same concentration. That means these concentration will be low. What will be low? These colligative properties of colloidal solution and colligative properties of true solution, when their concentration must be same. What must be same? Concentration of true solution, concentration of colloidal particle, both must be same. Okay, is of low order than true solution. Understood? This is the C option. Okay, first question, I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, in the second question, we are given with peptization is a, and regarding peptization, you have to identify this is 2019. recent question, 2019 mains question. Okay, 12th April question, first shift question. So peptidization is a simple, it is a simple question. Option B is correct. What is option B? Peptidization is a process of converting precipitate into colloidal solution. Okay, second answer is B. Now let's start with the third answer. Okay, let's start with the third question. What is the third question? I am reading out the correct option among the following. These type of questions, they are very time taking. Okay, so but if you neglect any sentence, that may give you the negative marking. So you have to read the sentence speed, and you should also not lose accuracy. And correct answer, you have to say the correct answer. This is also 2019 mains question only, but 10th April question. So colloidal solution is more effective because they have small surface area. Medicines, okay. Colloidal medicines are more effective. That is correct. But they have small surface area. That is not correct. They have large surface area. That's why they are effective. Brownian movement in colloidal solution is faster if the viscosity is high. Viscosity itself means that the resistance to flow. If viscosity is high, then Brownian movement will be less, but it is given faster. Addition of alum to water makes it unfit for drinking. No, alum if you are adding, what it will do? It will impurities will be precipitated. So that will be fit for drinking. And D option, colloidal particles in lyophobic can be precipitated by electrophoresis. No. Okay, answer will be D option. The correct answer will be D answer. Okay, the colloidal particles lyophobic are precipitated by electrophoresis. That is correct answer. Now let us see the fourth question. A gas undergoes physical adsorption on a surface and follows physis option and follows the Friedlich's adsorption isotherm. Okay, and adsorption of gas increases. This is also 2019 mains, but first shift, 10th April only, first shift question. And pressure, increase in pressure and increase in temperature. Adsorption increases. Question is x upon m directly proportional to or inversely proportional to P and T. Here adsorption means x upon m, where x is the amount of adsorbent and m is the mass of the adsorbate per gram of adsorbate. Okay. So what is the answer? X upon m directly proportional to P but inversely proportional to T. That's why fourth answer will be, B answer. Fourth answer will be what answer? B answer. Okay. Now let us see the fifth question. Fifth question, for this purpose only we have done on catalysis. Catalysis in industry. We have done a lecture where we specially dealt with the industry catalysis. Okay. So what is the correct matching? Okay. Fifth question is about the catalyst and where it is used. This is actually passage question but converted into MCQ. Okay. So here fifth question answer will be C. Which is correct answer? Fifth question answer will be C. Okay, next question. The number of water molecule not coordinated directly to. Not coordinated directly to. Actually, we write this as a CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Okay, but all 5 water molecules are not same. It is just empirical formula. Its actual formula will be like this: CuH2O4. Okay, and SO4 will be outside the bracket, and then it will be dot H2O. Okay, so how many molecules are not coordinated? One molecule is not coordinated. So answer to the sixth question. Answer to the sixth question will be, what will be the answer? Very good, C. Sixth question answer will be C. Okay. Now let's see the next question, seventh question. Let's see the next question, seventh question. The aerosol is a kind of colloid in which, okay, the very first table of colloid solution. In aerosol, question is dispersed phase is what and dispersion medium is what? Okay, what is dispersion medium? That you have to identify. Okay, in the seventh question, aerosol. Aerosol is solid is dispersed in gas. Okay, solid and gas. Okay, so according to that D option, seventh answer will be D option. Now let us see about the next question, eighth question. Go through the eighth question and tell me the correct answer. You are given with a graph. You are given with a graph. With that graph, you have to find out the p to the power of how much it is. Okay, a line is drawn like this. This value is 3, this value is 2. Okay, and here it is log value is taken, not simple x upon m. This is log p, log p. And question is x upon m directly proportional to p to the power of what? Okay, that what only main problem. So that is what question. Okay, eighth question, is it understood? This value is given, just mathematics, trigonometry introduced into the mathematics. Okay, answer to this question is A. What is the answer? Question is A. That is simply 2 by 3 slope. Okay, so slope here it will be 2 by 3. So eighth answer, is it understood from the graph? Now let's see the ninth question. Let's see the ninth question. If you got any doubt, you can ask me, then I will clear then and there. Otherwise, we will go for the next question, ninth question. I think it is very easy for the main students. Next, among the following false statement, you have to know the false statement. Okay, false statement is Tyndall effect can be used to distinguish colloidal and true. Very good, that can be identified because true solutions will not show the Tyndall effect. Then possible cause of artificial rain is just coagulation, that is also correct. Lyophilic Lyophilic sole can be coagulated by adding electrolyte. Yes. Latex is a colloidal solution of rubber particle in which positively. No. It is actually negatively. So answer will be D. D is a false statement. Then coming to the 10th question. Okay. You are given with critical temperature. You are given with critical temperature of 4 gases, H2, CH4, CO2 and SO2. Okay, you are given with 4 gases. Critical temperature is, it is 33, it is 190, it is 304 and it is 630. These are the critical temperature. On the basis of above given data, predict which of the following gases shows least adsorption. Least critical temperature, least will be adsorption. Okay, Tc decreases, x upon m also decreases. So D option is correct. Up to 10th question, note down. If you got any doubt, you can ask. Okay, otherwise I will go for the next questions. Okay, next 11th question. Among the colloids, cheese here it is represented with C. Okay, so how different 2019 mains? Okay, cheese is represented with C and milk is represented with M. Okay, these are the mains questions, 2019 mains question. And smoke is denoted with S. Smoke is denoted with S. The correct combination of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. That means in cheese, what is the dispersed phase dispersion medium? In milk, what is the dispersed phase and dispersion medium? And in smoke, what is the dispersed phase and dispersion medium? That means 3 questions asked in one. If you don't know one also, then there will be a problem. Okay. So all 3 you should be understanding, remembering where it is. Okay. In the cheese, actually it is a liquid in solid. Cheese is a liquid in solid. Okay. Milk is a emulsion, liquid in liquid. Okay. But smoke is a aerosol. So solid in gas. Solid in gas. Okay. So liquid in solid, liquid in liquid, solid in gas, all are given in the A option. So 11th answer will be A. 11th answer will be what? A. Then an example of solid soul. Simply, this is easier question. So, and it is also 2019 mains question only. Solid soul. You can understand 2019 mains. Every shift there is a question from the surface chemistry. That means if you go through this question, 4 marks pakka. How many marks pakka? 4 marks plus 4 marks pakka marks. Okay. So 12th question. Example of solid soul. Solid soul. Example of solid soul is very simple and the answer is very first option. Okay. What is the first option? Gemstones are the first option. Example of solid souls are gems. Okay. Gems are the first option. Now let us see the 13th question. Hemoglobin and gold soul. See, every question, almost every question, there are two questions together. Hemoglobin is an example of which part? And gold soul is an example of which part? Okay. Positive or negative. This classification is based upon the charge. Based upon the charge, classification is done. Okay. Based on the charge, classification is done. Okay. Hemoglobin is a positive colloid. Hemoglobin is which colloid? Positive colloid, whereas metal souls are generally negative colloids. So 13th, positive and negative. Positive and negative. Therefore, D option. 13th answer will be which option? D option. Okay. Now let's see about the 14th question. Which of the following is not an example? You have to be very careful. Question is about not an example. Not an example of heterogeneous catalysis. Heterogeneous catalysis. Okay. That means catalyst physical state should be different from the reactant. Catalyst physical state should be different from the reactant. Okay. So which answer? 14th answer. Not an example of heterogeneous. Answer will be B. Okay. Combustion of a coal is not an example of heterogeneous. Okay. Now let's see about the 15th question. Let's see about the 15th question. Again, somewhat lengthy question. Benzaldehyde. Here A is given benzaldehyde. A is given benzaldehyde. Okay. And B is given alumina. B is given alumina. And C is given acetonitrile. C is given acetonitrile. Okay. And here P is dynamic phase. That means mobile phase is just modified and written as mobile phase, written as dynamic phase. Okay, moving phase. And next one is adsorbent. Next one is adsorbent. And R is adsorbate. We have to select according to the requirement. Okay. 15th question. What is what? That you have to identify. First you will match, then you will select. Okay. First you will match and you will select. Done. Okay, see here. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is adsorbate. Benzaldehyde is adsorbate. Okay. Benzaldehyde is adsorbate. B is Q. Alumina is adsorbent. Acetonitrile is dynamic phase. C will be P. So 15th answer will be A option. 15th answer will be A option. Okay. So note down up to the 15th question. Okay, next 16th question. Which salt solution is most effective coagulation of arsenious sulfide As2S3? They wanted to coagulate and which will be the best? Which will be the best? Here you should be able to check whether it is positive colloid or negative colloid. Generally, sulfide ores will be Sulfide ores will be which type of ores? Negative ores. So you have to check with the positive charge. Highest positive charge is possessed by the aluminium. Therefore, aluminium chloride is option. Aluminium chloride is the correct answer. That is B option is correct. 16th answer will be B. 16th answer will be B. Then again second question, similar question is repeated because same year question. Okay. So your level will be question level will be same, that it will be 2 it is written, it is 4 written. Just now we have done this type of question. So what is the answer? 17th question. P to the power of 2 by 4. Okay. So what will be the answer? C answer. Okay. 17th will be C answer. 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Okay. Next 18th question. Tyndall effect is observed only when following condition. This was specially mentioned, but people not noted with keen observation. Okay. Tyndall effect was observed only when following condition is satisfied. Only when following condition is satisfied. For it is actually colloidal solution, people think that every time it will be absorbing. But there are certain conditions they follow. That's why they show the Tyndall effect. Okay. Answer to this question is B. Okay. Diameter of dispersed phase. Diameter of dispersed phase, that is solute. Okay. Should not be much smaller. It should not be much smaller than wavelength of light. If it is wavelength is much more high, then this cannot cause the Tyndall effect. Okay. Now let's see about the 19th question. Again, similar question. So what is the answer? 19th question. Starting you find difficulty because these are the recent question, but afterwards you will find very easy questions. Okay. 19th answer, direct answer. 19th answer will be direct answer. Still some people confusing. 19th answer will be B. Okay. A linear plot of x upon m versus log p. See, log x upon m versus log p. Okay. So, and what they are asking, which are the following? Intercept and slope. Question options are about slope and intercept. Okay. So I will explain this because two students are sending wrong answers. Okay. X upon m is equal to k into log p to the power of 1 by n. Okay. So log x upon m is equal to 1 upon n log p plus log k. So this is what? So intercept is log k, slope is 1 by n. So which is the answer now? Now you got clarity. Only 1 upon n appears as a slope. That is 19th answer will be B. Okay. Next 20 question. Methylene blue from its aqueous solution is adsorbed on the activated charcoal. For this process, correct statement. This is a advanced question 2013. 2013, this much easy question was there. But you are going to write the examination in the future. So if you are not able to write the 2013 advanced question, you may not think about the future. So answer will be B. 20th answer will be what? B. Okay. Correct statement. Adsorption accompanied by decrease in enthalpy, because during adsorption delta H will be what? Negative. Once delta H is negative, enthalpy will be decreasing. Okay. So this is about the next 5 answers. Okay, next question. Coagulation power of electrolytes having arsenious sulfate. Just now we have done, but question is about coagulation power. Many students are making mistake because of the confusion with coagulation power and coagulation value. Okay, both are inversely proportional. If powerful, it is powerful, then value will be less. Okay, question is about the coagulation power. So what will be the answer? Aluminium being the highest oxidation number, powerful, and value will be very less. Okay. So barium plus 2 less than sodium plus 1. That is which option? B option. Okay. 21 B option. Now let's see the 22 question. Among the electrolyte most effective against, similar question, most effective against Sb2S3. So aluminium containing salt will be C. Aluminium is most powerful. Wherever blindly, if sulfur is there, negative ion is sulfur. There it will be negative colloid. If it is negative colloid, you will see the positive charge. If positive charge is more, powerful will be more. Okay. Then coming to the 23. 23, 2, 3, 23. What is your answer? Among the following surfactant that will form micelles aqueous lowest CMC. Question is about lowest CMC. What are the factors affecting CMC? That I clearly explained. If don't remember or not attended, then it is going to be very dangerous. Answer will be A option. Okay, what will be the answer? Answer will be A, because molecular mass is more. In the A option, molecular mass is more, so number of moles will be less, so concentration will be less. What is the logic? Is it understood? Critical micelle concentration. See, concentration is equal to number of moles upon volume, and number of moles will be mass upon molecular mass divided by volume. So mass upon molecular mass into volume. Whichever substance have more molecular mass, concentration will be less, so lowest CMC. And here in the A option, we find highest molecular mass is A. Okay. Next, coming to the 24th question. Question number 2424. Okay. In the 24th question, lyophilic salts are irreversible, no, prepared by from inorganic compounds, self-stabilizing. What is the answer? Lyophilic. Already attraction is there. Therefore, you need not to add anything which is required to stabilize. Lyophobic requires stabilizing agent. Okay. That is what called as a protective colloids. Protective colloids are required for what? Lyophobic. Okay. Next, 25th. Spontaneous adsorption of gas on solid surface is exothermic. Okay, exothermic. Why it is exothermic? Exo or endo, that will be denoted by C option. What is the answer? Answer will be C. Actually, delta H, if it is there, then you will go for that option only. But option is not there. That's why what you will select delta S. Why you are selecting delta S, is it understood? If the first option delta H decreases, then that will be the correct answer. But it is not given. That's why 25th answer will be C. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, 26th. Rate of adsorption increases with decrease in temperature. Temperature decreases, rate of adsorption increases. So A option, 26th answer will be A. Very simple question. When the temperature increased, surface tension of water. Temperature increased, surface tension of water. Surface tension of water decreases because attraction force decreases, therefore surface tension also decreases. 27th is B. Now we are entering into the more than one correct. From here, more than one correct. Okay, more than one correct answer. So let us see 28th question. The correct statement about surface properties. Surface properties, correct statement, oblique statements. Even though it is more than one correct, it can have two answers, it can have one answer also. Critical temperature, ethane and nitrogen are given. Adsorption of ethane will be more. Yes. Why? Because ethane critical temperature is high. That's why A option is correct. You have to correct statement. Cloud is an emulsion of colloidal no gas. Problem is with gas, so B will not be there. Adsorption accompanied by decrease in enthalpy and decrease in entropy. So AC. Let us see about the D. Brownian motion of the colloidal particles not depend on size. Yes, it depends on size. It should be less than the wavelength. Okay. Then 29th. O2. O2 is adsorbed on a metallic surface. Electron transfer takes place from metal to O2. Metal to O2. The statement regarding the adsorption are. Okay. So I am drawing this so that you can understand. Let us take, this is the metal surface. Okay. On this metal surface, our oxygen molecule is adsorbed. This is the oxygen molecule is adsorbed. Okay. Electron transfer occur from the metal to O2. One electron is moving from here to the O2. Okay. Then about this, regarding this, what are the correct statements? More than one correct are possible. So you have to be very, very careful. Okay. O2 is physisorbed. See, there is a transfer of electron means chemical bond. So A cannot be correct. Heat is released. That is called as a heat of adsorption. Therefore, B option is correct. Occupancy. Occupancy of pi star 2ps. Microorbital theory. Now it will become as O2 minus. Okay, superoxide it will form and occupancy will increase. Okay, and bond length decreased. See here, here bond order is 2. Here bond order will be 1.5. Okay, so bond order decreased, therefore bond length will be increased. 29th, B, C, D are correct options. Now let's see about the 30th question. The given 4 graphs are given. Very, very important question. Okay, after this advanced examination, this is a 2012 advanced examination question. So many times in the different way it was asked after this question. Good framing is done by this advanced examination. Okay. So there are 4 graphs are given. Out of them, correct graph you have to select. Correct graph you have to select. Answers are, which are correct answers? 30th. What are the correct answers? A, comma C. Okay. The given data under the conditions are correct. Which of the following graphs are correct? Okay. Note down. Then we will go for the further questions. Okay. Next question is 31. Choose the correct reasons for stability of lyophobic colloidal particles. Given solution is lyophobic. Lyophobic are highly unstable. Okay. Preferential adsorption on their surface from the solution. Okay. What we have to select? Correct statement you have to select. Correct statement you have to select. Okay. So 31 question answers are A. That is correct. Okay. A is correct. Preferential adsorption of solvent. No. from the solution. Attraction between different particles having opposite charges. Opposite will be philic. Same charges will be phobic. Between fixed layer and diffuse layer, opposite charges and colloidal particle. This is correct answer. Okay. So 31 answers are A, comma D. 31 answers are A, comma D. Okay. Then 32. The correct statement pertaining to adsorption of a gas on solid. This is repeated question, but this was previously asked in advance. Now it is asked in mains. Okay. So 32 answers pertaining to adsorption. Adsorption is always exothermic. Exactly correct. That's why A option. Physics option, less amount of heat will be released. Chemis option, more amount of heat will be released, but always heat will be released. Okay. Then physics option may transform into chemis option after high temperature. Yes, when temperature increases, energy is more than activation energy, that will be transformed into chemical adsorption. Then physics option increases with increase in temperature. No, physics option decreases with increase in temperature. So C is wrong. Chemis option is more exothermic. Okay. Yes. D option. So 32 answers are A, B and D. What is the problem with the C option? Is it clear? Now let's see about the 33 assertion and reason. Okay. Micelles are formed by surfactant molecules above CMC. Okay, that is statement. And the conductivity of solution having surfactant molecule decreases sharply. This is what called as a conductomeric titration. Okay. Statement 1, there is no problem. But statement 2 is also correct. But it is nowhere concerned with nowhere explanation of the statement 1. That is B option. Okay. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. But this is not answer to the first part. That's why B option is correct. Okay. So with this we concluded the surface chemistry. Okay. We concluded what? Surface chemistry PYQ of mains advanced. Okay. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to share, like, and if you are new, then you can subscribe. Okay.